Wisconsin drift event trip. Official load up. Throw in the car.
That's me falling in and out so fast, holding you back, back, back. Guilty of the pain I caused and of the conscience I lack, lack, lack. I will hold your hand while I'm 1 foot out the door. And it's all because I don't need you anymore.
I believe I've pushed the freeze plug out of my motor once again. If I can't find it, I believe my weekend's done. Day 2 is comp day. Unfortunately, I did not pick up the right size freeze plug, and I have not sourced one, or found my old one rather. So, don't believe I'm going to be in the competition. We're doing a little cars on grid for a picture, a little get together, so probably going to limp the car over there for that, but not so much driving this today. Going to be supporting the boys. Toe strap to the lead car.
I'll push you in the front.
Have all the boys, all the drivers, if there is any females today, they're all lining up for the qualifying runs. Unfortunately, my car is broken. We're just talking about towing for the qualifying run. It's bullshit, but yep, here we are.
S14 out of Dayton, Ohio. I believe this used to be his drag car. As you can hear, it sounds like it makes all the good power noises from that JZ. Still getting used to that right-hand drive, I think, as it being a drift car. He was driving a.
Hopefully they run a comp on that.
keeping it on the track just barely. Definitely putting some traction behind it, unfortunately. It might end up hurting his score there. Extra deep on that third outer zone. A little sloppy, could be cleaned up for sure, but making all the right. Great example of Coupe Bay 86 here. Oh, another bobble there on entry.
Unfortunately, that's not going to do it.
Looking a lot, quite similar to run number 1. A lot of clutch kicks there trying to make it through that extension. Cleaned it up near the final portion, but I think there's just a lot of corrections going on there. I'd be surprised if we see him in the 32 bracket. Next up, we have Alex Lavoie in the this is the 5 Series V8 swap E36. I know he was having some issues, some power issues, some voltage issues. Little 360 into outer zone number 2, and then a major dirt drop. We'll consider this a sight lap. There goes part of the bumper. All right, Lavoie starting off with a dragging bumper, flapping. Nice backfire, too deep again. Unfortunately, that's just not going to cut it for the bracket. See if we can put a nice little show on for you guys.
Car looks great, cool swap, love the wheels, wings cool. Unfortunately, not going to make it into the show.
Shawano, Wisconsin. I'm here joined with the beautiful Derek King and Sarah.
Hi, Edgar.
Hey, how you guys doing? So,
Happy to be here.
Yeah, round 2. Round 1 was exciting back at home at Kilcare Raceway. Back, what was that, April? I forgot.
April 20th.
Yeah, it's been a while since round 1. But we are happy to be here at US Air International up in Shawano, Wisconsin.
Super exciting track. Way more drivers out here than the last round.
Day's coming to an end. Grab the trailer, about to load up the car. It's been real, US Motorsports Raceway. Appreciate you having us out here. Ohio, all the way to Wisconsin. Hell yeah. Day 3, day 4, not sure, but we're heading home. Finally. Gonna stop for some fuel, get some gas, get something to eat. While I hit the road. Car's coming home, a little damaged. That's all right. Both of them still in working condition. Mando's as well. I didn't get too much footage of the crew out here this weekend, but nonetheless, we did the thing. We had fun, and now we're going home. We are on the road. Driving on the road an hour. I am exhausted. Holy hell. Yep. Give you updates and clips as we go, but not enjoying this so far. splitting up, going to go on our separate little ways. Got Austin and Ray behind me. We're gonna hit an Audi museum. Try to make the best of this little trip. A few hours have passed, a few hundred more miles. Thankfully, we're on a familiar stretch of highway. About 10 minutes out from the apartment. Made it all the way back to Dayton. Pretty much no issues. Shout out to Toyota. This truck has definitely done more than I am asking of it. Completely loaded down. It's an 18-hour trip, over 1,000 miles, out to Wisconsin, US Air Motorsports Raceway. It's a great time. Definitely wish I could say I got more laps out there this weekend to justify the whole trip. Nonetheless, I'm very excited to go back out there and actually have a better shot at nailing the entire course a little bit later in the year. But, yep, as mentioned, not too far out from the city. Figured this would be a good stopping point. Go ahead and close out the video. Not exactly sure how the video is going to turn out, but I do hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time, have a good one.